कर लो काम।
करण, आज आप मुंह दिखाई करने वाले हैं कि शगुन 501 चढ़ेगा फिर?
नहीं, वो क्या है ना, मैं अभी अभी दिल्ली से आया, तो
अच्छा।
ये बस निकालना भूल गया।
ओ,
पहली पिक्चर है तो एंट्री तो बनती है ना।
या बट यार पोस्टर्स से, टीजर से आपका फेस क्लियरली विजिबल नहीं है। व्हाट वाज द रीजन? आज भी आप वही लुक हाइड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
The reason is that we wanted to put out this certain level of intrigue as far as the film was concerned, and if you look at whatever we've put up online, it sort of resonates that. So I think it's better till you guys watch the trailer, and then I can show my face to you guys, and we can have a
Wonderful. We are eager to see this. Photographers भी है यहाँ पर. But before we present the trailer to the media and to the जनता right now, what was the best response आपको मिला when people saw the teaser of Blank?
It wasn't a response in particular, but me, Pranav and Behzad, हम लोग इस पिक्चर से करीबन 2.5 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं. So just to see it come to life and see people responding to it, I think that was what really stood out to me more than anything.
थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गए थे आप तभी?
थोड़ा बहुत.
चलिए करण को थोड़ा,
ये मास्क घर पे रखता हूँ, जब भी इमोशनल हो जाता हूँ थोड़ा ऊपर कर देता हूँ.
करण को थोड़ा और इमोशनल करेंगे. ट्रेलर देखेंगे ऑफ द ब्लैंक एंड देन वी इनवाइट ऑल द कास्ट एंड क्रू. सो सर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट, विल प्ले द ट्रेलर. आर वी रेडी फॉर द ट्रेलर? अच्छा, मीडिया वाले ट्रेलर के लिए रेडी नहीं क्या? हाँ जी, चलिए लेट्स हैव द ट्रेलर फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर. वाडिया. All right, we have time for photo op as well. Karan, finally the mask is out.
Finally, मुंह दिखाए हो.
यार, your baby, मतलब सबसे सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. First movie, first trailer. ऐसा लगता है खुद का बच्चा आज बड़ा हो रहा है. What is your feeling right now?
Like I said, हम 2.5 साल से इस पिक्चर पे काम कर रहे हैं. तो when I see it, I can't believe it myself. और I'm very proud, and I hope that you guys like the trailer and you guys go support the film on the 3rd of May because बहुत मेहनत की है यार. तो please जाकर देखिए.
सर, आपके लिए ये फीलिंग हमेशा नहीं होती, सेम होती है, और इट्स जस्ट द फर्स्ट टाइम, फर्स्ट फीलिंग, फर्स्ट मूवी?
I think first of all, I think all should encourage Karan. I think he's done a great job in the film.
Thank you. So have
the
you.
trailer, I'm sure,
Thank you guys.
is something which you all can make up your mind about. And I was with him throughout the journey, and I think I'm really very proud about.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, thank you.
लॉट ऑफ एक्शन सीन्स एंड थ्रिलर. सर, पूरा भरा हुआ पड़ा है. करण, 2.5 किलो का हाथ आप पे पड़ा क्या एक भी?
पड़ा, काफी बार पड़ा.
तो वही अफ्रेड क्या सीन था वो जब शूट कर रहे थे?
नहीं, we weren't afraid. We went into it with enough preparation. हमें पता था क्या करना था. I was more excited than scared to get hit by the 2.5 किलो का हाथ. So it wasn't fear, it was excitement.
पड़ेगी तो अच्छा है ऐसा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
अच्छा सर, आजकल एक चीज़ बहुत हो रही है, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. आई एम होपिंग मीडिया वाले भी सवाल पूछे. ट्रेलर के बाद सर बहुत सारे मीम्स बनना शुरू हो जाते हैं ट्रेलर के ऊपर. तो आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है कि इस पे क्या क्या मीम्स बनने वाले हैं?
यार, मैं इतना जो ये सोशल मीडिया में घूम रहा होता ना, तो मेरे पास इसका जरूर कोई जवाब होता. क्योंकि आई थिंक इसके बारे में बस यही होगा कि जो हमारा ट्रेलर है, जो हमारी फिल्म है जिसका नाम ब्लैंक है, आई थिंक दैट ब्रिंग्स अक्रॉस के हर चीज़, एक चीज़ जिसके बारे में हम जानते भी हैं तो भी हम ब्लैंक होते हैं उसके बारे में. एंड दैट्स द होल थिंग ऑल अबाउट. और जैसे हम टेररिज्म में किसी की भी बात करें तो एक चीज़ छुपी हुई है और ना किसी को खुद को पता है कि वो क्यों कर रहे हैं. I think सब लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं पैसे के लिए कर रहे हैं.
All right, with that we just want to invite Karanveer, Ishita on stage. Woo! Round of applause for Karanveer and Ishita. Can I have 2 more mics?
अरे यहाँ एसी नहीं चल रहा क्या?
एसी चला दो यार, बहुत गर्म हो रहा है. इशिता, ये पिक्चर आपके पास कैसे आई, या आप इस पिक्चर के पास चल के गए? What was the scene like?
With me, I don't know why I'm always the last person to enter a film. Whatever work I've done till date.
देर है, दुरुस्त है.
Sorry for the other person who gets replaced. I'm really sorry. They feel really bad, but same thing happened with this film. I think 2 days before the
Something
shoot,
like that.
yeah, they called me and they said, you know, ऐसा है Husna, the character that I'm playing, and would you come and meet us? And you know, and it just worked out. In 2 days, I was shooting and doing a lot of action. So that was the highlight for me because I have always played roles which are very simple and you know, simple सी लड़की है, हाथ नहीं उठाती. But here I got to like.
मार
He's
धाड़।
awesome in the film.
लेकिन
ऐसी
आप
फिल्म है एक्चुअली
अच्छा।
जिसमें आप फिल्मों में देखते हैं कि लड़का लड़की को चेस कर रहा है, मतलब लड़की लड़के को चेस कर रही है।
पहली बार।
लेकिन इशिता, यू हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन टू द मीडिया, किसको रिप्लेस किया आपने?
Don't answer.
Blank हो गई मैं तो.
All right, there are 3 Karans on stage. Karanveer and Karan. Karanveer, आप कैसे बने इस मूवी का हिस्सा, अगर आप बताएंगे तो?
सनी सर को करण नाम बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा, यस सर।
Honestly, I'm here because of, first of all, पहला कॉल जो मुझे आया था, मुझे टोनी डिसूजा का आया था। So टोनी का जब भी मुझे फ़ोन आता है ऐसे ही आता है, कल क्या कर रहा है, ऑफिस आ जा। ऐसा, अरे मैं शूट पे हूँ। बोले नहीं आ जा, अच्छा रोल है तेरे लिए। So this is the second time around I'm working with Tony and Behzad. अजहर की थी हम लोगों ने पहले, so it was a wonderful experience and they thought, and it's my privilege, उनको लगा कि मैं इस किरदार के लिए सबसे अच्छा काम करूँगा।
वंडरफुल। अगर उन्होंने बोल दिया तो लेट्स इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस मूवी, Behzad, द राइटर ऑफ दिस मूवी, Pranav, are you here? Producers of this movie, Saurabh Prabhakar, Vice President and Head of Carnival Motion Pictures, Nishant Pitti and Vishal Rana. Can we have all on stage? And I think Mike, अच्छा, we can just keep passing on the mic.
We'll share.
Okay. Behzad सर, आपसे पहले सवाल पूछेंगे। Behzad हमारी जो बॉस है ऑफिस की, रेडियो सिटी की, उनके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, तो अपना तो व्यवहार पहले से ही बन गया है। लेकिन ये 2-2.5 साल से प्रेपरेशन चल रही है, कैसा रहा था प्रोसेस, इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट?
प्रोसेस तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, बट इनिशियली जब मैं, प्रणव और करण, हम तीनों एडीज थे बॉस पिक्चर पे, तो तब से ही सोच रहे थे कि कुछ करेंगे, लेट्स मेक अ फिल्म टुगेदर।
Short film.
वी स्टार्टेड विद अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, बट अभी तो फुल लेंथ बन गई। बट थिंग्स स्टार्टेड टू गेट मूविंग आफ्टर वी मेट सनी सर। बट व्हेन वी वर राइटिंग द रोल, प्रणव एंड आई हैड अ थॉट इन माइंड दैट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस ATS chief should be somebody like Sunny sir. Somebody like Sunny sir. That's how we were writing it. Until Tony sir turned around and said, why somebody like Sunny sir? Let's go meet Sunny Deol. मेरी तो फट गई to start with. Because I had a completely different impression of the man.
I also had the impression when I met him first time. But he's very sweet and very genuine और बहुत comfortable कराते हैं.
Yeah, so in my first meeting only, he says, देख बेटा, जैसा मैं स्क्रीन पे हूँ वैसा हूँ नहीं. तू बिना टेंशन नरेट कर. मैंने स्टोरी ऑलरेडी सुन लिया, मैं कर रहा हूँ तेरी पिक्चर. So that's when it worked out.
So sweet sir, सनी सर सबसे अच्छे, मतलब ऐसा है नहीं, और मेरा तो नाम करण है तो मेरे से तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से है, लेकिन to the producer of the movie, Saurabh Prabhakar, Vice President and Head of Carnival Motion Pictures, सर आप जब पिक्चर में पैसे डालते हैं क्या सोच होती है, बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन होता है, बिकॉज नाउ 1-1.5 साल से द सीन हैज चेंज्ड, कंटेंट ड्रिवन मूवी हैज बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या था व्हेन यू स्टेप्ड इन दिस मूवी?
यार हमारा प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल था. व्हेन Behzad came and Vishal and Tony came to us with the story, we were sold actually after the first narration, so I knew that the film has a lot of potential and it will do well, so that's the only reason we chose this film.
Acha, there's one question I want to ask everybody on the stage, one, and then we open the interaction with media. आपके लाइफ में, because the movie is called Blank, एक ऐसा टाइम आया होगा where you were completely blank, like इशिता भी हो गई थी जब मैंने सवाल पूछा who did she replace, but ऐसा कोई moment था आपकी जिंदगी में where you were blank? Behzad, you want to start?
TYBCom economics paper.
Told my answer.
I just passed in that.
अच्छा, आप दोनों ने सेम ईयर में दिया था क्या फिर?
10 standard maths.
We are 10 years apart.
Oh, so he has 10 standard maths. सनी सर, आप कभी blank हुए अपने लाइफ में?
Not really.
नहीं,
Unless,
यही होता है.
unless somebody asks me something stupid, then I'm blank.
All right, this is for the media right now. So, आप करणवीर?
जब भी बेहजाद के साथ शूट करता हूँ तो मेरा पहला शॉट ब्लैंक ही होता है. Because his strict beef was कि I don't want acting, I want just blank.
Oh, सर आप.
So as producer, if they call on the sets, then I go blank.
पहली line.
Pranav sir.
Right now.
You should talk about it's a movie right now.
Come on.
About my blank moment, or
blank moment, or just like how do you feel right now?
how I feel right now? It's a very surreal experience. Trust me, I don't think we actually expected to be standing here. It came as quite a surprise. Our idea of making a film has always been that we want to make something that we love to watch, and I think that is what should be on everyone's mind first and foremost. You want to make something that everyone would like to watch, not just something that is very personal to yourself. And it's been an incredibly uphill task trying to figure that out. And during that also we've had many blank moments. Brainstorming sessions के time पे 5 मिनट के लिए दिमाग चलता है और फिर आधे घंटे तक blank होता है. वो भी होता है बहुत बार.
So do you guys take breaks? क्या लेते हो? 2.5 साल की break. All right. We'll have a group picture and then फिर question answer with the media. I'll take the mic. All right, thank you so much. With this, I would request Sunny sir, Karan Veer, Ishita and Behzad to be on stage for media interaction. All right. Please, जैसे एक चीज सब लोग बोलते हैं at the trailer launch, questions only related to movie. हाँ, चेयर
का कुछ हो रहा है, AC
AC लगा दो यार जल्दी, वरना खत्म हो जाएगा तब तक. ठीक है, however you comfortable.
Hi Karan, this is Urvi to your left, this side.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
You have to specify which Karan. There are 3 Karans on stage.
The 3 Karans here.
I meant Karan Kapadia. Karan, how was it debuting with Sunny sir? And were you nervous when you started working with him on first day of your shoot or something of that sort?
I was nervous before the first day regardless, not just because he was there, of course that adds to it. But no, the debut, the whole experience and everything was amazing. Like he said, there was a long build up to it. So I was also impatient to get started. But yeah, 1-2 days into it, it was all good. Once you get into the motion of things, it's fine.
I also have a question for you, Sunny sir. You have worked with a lot of newcomers. What was different with Karan this time when you worked?
Well, Karan, definitely nowadays the newcomers, they are so well prepared about what they want to do and why they want to do it. And I think Karan was very definite about this project. He had already gone through it with Behzad, I think, so earlier on.
Me and Behzad and Pranav were attached to it for a while.
So that's why I think, and which is very nice because then you own the character, then you own the subject, and it comes across very well. And he has done a great job in it.
Thank you.
Sunny Paji, on your left here, Simran Singh from the first post. यहाँ पे, जी. So first of all, congratulations to the team for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, in the age of digital and VFX loaded films, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should not be filled with special effects. What do you want to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have. I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do everything myself. So, उस वक्त सब चीज़ें raw ही होती थी. And it's just after, I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable. I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being showed, there are many films and series nowadays, coming out on such topics. So, how different is it for this film, which you felt, this is the USP for, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Behzad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen, and it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything aajkal jo bhi ho raha hai, paisa, 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 paisa hi ho raha hai.
Hi, Sunny, this is Priyanka from Indian Express towards your center. Hi. Sunny, I wanted to know that, you're one of the first patriotic heroes on screen. You've been the symbol of this theme on screen for the longest. And we've seen, a resurgence in filmmakers' interest towards this theme in the last 5-6 years. How do you view it, these films today? And how do you feel the treatment of patriotism as a theme in Hindi cinema today?
I think we're diverting from blank, aren't we? See, first and foremost, the most important thing is, are we all patriotic or not? Do we love our mother? Do we love our country? That's the most important thing. It should not be taken as some kind of a sellable thing, okay? And that's not how I have done my films or ever. Jab bhi maine kuch bhi kiya, it's because I believed in the characters and I did that. And mostly I've always done films where the characters have been strong, fight for something, and that's my nature also. I just go till the end, and I'm not a kind of a person who gives up. So somehow that reflection comes across, and so some films which I've done which are on the patriotic note, so somehow people connect with me more. And it was never what do we call, a sellable thing or something which we did, but definitely now the whole world has changed. Everything has become marketing, and so everything has to have a reason why we do and what we do, and then we all make graphs about it. Everybody does that nowadays, so I think that's what's happening right now. Season hai, kis cheez ka season hai, wo banate hain log.
Sunny, Justin here from PTI, slightly towards your center. Here. Sunny, you mentioned at the start that how newcomers today are very well prepared. I wanted to know from you, what do these newcomers today have, which perhaps you didn't have when you were sort of starting out in your career, people of your generation didn't have when they were making their debut in the films?
There's nothing that Sunny sir doesn't have as a performer.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I think it's like, such questions are put across, and I think if you basically even look at the whole world and the way things have progressed, I don't think there are anything different than what people had earlier and they don't have now. It's only thing is that obviously technology and the awareness of things have changed. So obviously you are growing in a much more aware format. What आज हम जो पूछ रहे हैं, 20 साल बाद यही सवाल किसी और से पूछा जाएगा. So I think this is what basically it is. Otherwise, the emotions are the same. We all have love and hate and anger and everything the same. So I don't think anything is changing from that point of view. So definitely the youth which is coming in will be reflecting all these emotions basically.
Correct. Also, Karanveer, you've done a couple of films before Blank, of course, but this seems to be the biggest of all that you've done. Tell me, is there a lot of struggle for an actor to get the right kind of scripts and get the right kind of star cast and a director attachment, especially when you're still making a mark?
I think you've answered your own question. Of course it is. We have to work very hard. We have to be absolute impeccable performers. And we have to be lucky enough that people like Behzad, people like Pranav, people like Tony D'Souza, they believe in you. I started my journey with Tony. Oh, sorry. And your co-actors as well, thanks, of course. But it's a team effort, yeah. And if you land at the good role, I mean, the challenge isn't like from the first take till the release, it's always there.
Karan Kapadia, Hasti here from Cineblitz again. I wanted to ask you that your first debut film is quite intense. So, and also you have got reviews even from your you know, family also saying that you have chosen a very intense film for your debut. So is this something you are inclined to, or are there more genres of film that you would really like to explore?
See, I wasn't honestly lucky enough that I can just pick and choose whatever film I want to do. मैं बहुत lucky था कि Blank आया at a time where I really needed it and I needed the opportunity. I just got lucky that the script and the director turned out to be amazing. So I am open to doing any genre as long as it's a film that I think I would go watch myself as an audience. I would do that film. So I am not picky like that.
हाँ करण इधर जो ट्रेलर में अभी हम देखे आपको जो पकड़े जाने पे जो आपको भुलापन दिखता है कि एक्चुअली मुझे नहीं पता ये हो क्या रहा है, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या आपको वास्तव में पता नहीं?
आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हो प्लीज?
अभी ट्रेलर में जो हमने देखा कि आप बोलते हैं कि वो एक्चुअल मुझे पता नहीं कि हो क्या रहा है, तो जो हम यहाँ पर भुलापन जो मासूमियत देखते हैं आपके चेहरे पे, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या वास्तव में इस हालात का आप इत्तेफाक से शिकार हो गए हैं?
वो तो अभी आपको पिक्चर देख के ही पता चलेगा.
Sunny, hi, right here in the center. Here. Hi. Sunny, you know, we have seen you, like you've worked in many films in Bollywood until, like for so many years, but we have never seen you like in the recent times, we have not seen you in a, you know, like a multi-star. Like, of course, we have seen you in Border, which had a lot of actors, and Dar alongside Shah Rukh. But after a point, we didn't see you, you know, working with many actors. Like, you are friends with Salman, you're friends with many of the actors. Would we ever see you working with them, or have you consciously stayed away from doing multi-stars?
If there's this script कोई script हो जिसमें लगेगा कि, I mean, I fit in the script with all the other any other actor, definitely I'll do it. But unfortunately, कभी कोई ऐसी चीज़ आती नहीं है. I have no idea. But I have definitely I would work with anyone.
सनी इधर इस साइड पे. सनी, जब भी आप नए लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो बेचारे पहले से हिले रहते हैं, तो उनको कंफर्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं, कोई हिला नहीं होता है, हिला तो मैं ही होता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आई थिंक स्पेशली इस फिल्म में तो इट वाज लाइक अ फैमिली एंड सब चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी थी. एंड जब भी मैं जहाँ भी काम करता हूँ, आई ट्राई टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिट सो दैट कंफर्ट लेवल इज़ देयर, बिकॉज आई लाइक टू बी कंफर्टेबल. नहीं तो माहौल अच्छा नहीं होगा तो काम नहीं अच्छा हो सकता. And definitely Behzad and Karan and all the kids over here, everybody has done a great job. And definitely when you'll see the film, पता चलेगा. फिलहाल तो भी मैं तारीफ ही कर सकता हूँ.
घायल, आपकी घायल 2 आई थी, उसमें बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था आपने नए लोगों से, जो भी थे आपके साथ, बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था. तो यहाँ भी कुछ नोट्स तो आपसे लेते ही होंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं.
करण हैं और हैं जो आपके नज़दीक हैं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, लेकिन इतना ज़रूर है कि जब भी हम सीन करते हैं, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ सीन जिसके अंदर हम इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं. उस वक्त ये नहीं होता कि हाँ डेफिनेटली कहीं ऐसा होता है जहाँ मैं कुछ ना सही कर रहा हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली करण कुड करेक्ट मी एंड आई कुड डू द वाइस वर्सा. बट ऐसी कोई चीज़ें हैं नहीं जो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आदमी किसी को सिखा रहा है, बिकॉज हम खुद अभी भी सीख रहे हैं. So it just goes on.
Approach, you know. So. They really liked it. They've not seen too much of the film, so like they were pretty surprised when they saw it. But उनको अच्छी लगी. They're waiting to see the actual film. They're not going to like put me on a pedestal and make it seem कि क्या trailer है, क्या teaser है. So we'll know once the film is out what they really think.
हाय इशिता, मधु बीबीसी हिंदी से सामने आपके.
हाय
इशिता, कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जो आपकी इमेज बदल देती हैं. तो आप मानती हैं कि इससे पहले हमने जितनी भी फिल्में आपको देखा था, हमेशा चुलबुले अंदाज में ही देखा है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम आपको प्रॉपर एक्शन करते हुए देखेंगे, तो आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म कहीं ना कहीं आपकी इमेज बदलने में कामयाब रहेगी?
I think as an actor, that's what we always want to do, different kind of roles, and sometimes for some reason you don't get the kind of roles that you want to do. But yeah, in this I'm playing something very different, and I'm very happy and excited about it, and I hope कि लोगों को पसंद आए, and in future I get to do not just action, comedy, and you know something else also.
She's changed as a person also. Every day on set she'll ask me, आज किसको मारना है? So
I in fact wanted to like.
आज किसको तोड़ना है? Sorry, तोड़ना was the word.
Hi, Sunny ji, I'm Pankaj from Urban Asian on your center. Hi. in your career, I don't remember seeing you playing a negative character. Correct me if I'm wrong. In this film also, Karan is from the trailer it seemed that he's playing a grey character or a negative character. Were you tempted to play a negative character, or have you consciously stayed away from negative roles?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कहानी अच्छा कैरेक्टर हो तो definitely whether it's negative or positive doesn't matter, but there has to be justification to what I mean in the character, and would love to do it. And my question to you is, would you want me to see me in a negative role? You would want to see me in a negative role? Doing what? Huh? Torturing somebody? Huh?
So we'll do blank 2 and we'll turn the tables.
Ishita, hi. Priyanka. Ishita, you know, you were superb in Drishyam, and I think that's been your breakout performance in Bollywood. But after that, and even previous to that, you've been a popular TV star. But tell me, is it very difficult for an outsider to get meaty, to get good opportunity roles in Bollywood as compared to TV? Do you think it's easier for TV actors to still get great opportunities?
There is no right answer for this. I think it depends on the person. It depends. I think luck is something that I really believe in, to be in the right place at the right time. Like, I started from television. A lot of people thought I wouldn't. But I did, and I got good roles, and I was happy doing that. And yes, Drishyam is the film that, you know, like, people associate me with, but I have done a lot of work. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is difficult, and not just for outsiders. I think it's difficult for everybody because there are a lot of talented actors out there, and everybody's struggling and trying to get, and it's just, you know, sometimes it takes a little more time, and sometimes it's the first film, and, you know, you're sorted. So yeah, I think that's my answer for this.
Behzad here. So congratulations, this is your first film as director as well.
Thank you.
So आप ये बताइए कि set पे जो first day of shoot था वो कैसा रहा? Because you're directing Sunny Paji and Karanveer and Ishita. So how was it? What was the scene and
honest answer?
जी honest answer.
फटी पड़ी थी on first day.
तो कैसे संभाला गया सब कुछ?
You know, at some point we feel if it's written in the stars, it just starts to flow. And first day we did have a few issues because we were shooting at a dicey location, which was Worli Village. There was action, and my mistake to start with that. But somehow that sequence has come out the best. So we just, you know, grit our teeth and did our job. And once we survived the first day, then it just started moving. There was no issue after that.
Karan,
all right, this is the last question.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you, right here in the center.
Oh, hi.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you feel any, like, are you nervous that, you know, there's already so much competition with so many newcomers coming in the industry every year? Do you feel the worry, you know, to perform and make your place in the industry?
No, not really. I think competition is something that's inevitable in any field. So I just want to do the best work I can do, and I think that my work will speak for itself. So I don't really worry or think about what other people are doing. And I think the more actors that are coming up, it's only better for us because there are so many good stories out there that need to be told. So I think it's only a good thing for the industry that there are more young actors coming through.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
And I would just like the entire cast and crew to be on stage for a quick photo op. But before we click a picture, give me 2 mics. Vishal ji, I have one question आपके लिए. Being a producer of the movie recently, जैसे किसी press ने एक सवाल पूछा, मेरे मन में भी सवाल था कि patriotism वाली movies have been doing superbly well, extremely well since last few months. तो this was, आपका क्या सोच था before you invested in this movie?
हमारी कोई intentional film नहीं थी कि patriotism film बनाएंगे.
जी.
हमारे पास बेजाद है, बेजाद और प्रणव स्क्रिप्ट लेके आए थे कि एक पिक्चर है, और टोनी मेरे पार्टनर है नहीं यहाँ पर. हमने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी, हमें पिक्चर अच्छी लगी, और उसके बाद ये चीज़ें अपने आप ऐसा हो गया कि उरी के बाद ये अभी एक मौसम ऐसा बन गया कि हर जगह पेट्रोटिज्म देश के लिए फिल्में चल रही. तो आई थिंक वी आर जस्ट लकी, आई डोंट से लकी और लकी अनफॉर्चुनेटली वेयर वी आर. सो जो हुआ वो गलत हुआ, पर हमारा जो फिल्मों का माहौल है और जो फिल्म जिस तरह की फिल्में आ रही हैं, उस टाइम पे एक फिल्म आ गई है जो टेररिज्म के ऊपर है. तो आई थिंक जस्ट अ डेस्टिनी व्हिच प्लेज ए पार्ट. तो वही है, हमने एक सुनी थी, आज ये खड़े हैं, एंड सनी सर ने हमें सपोर्ट किया, एंड करण, बेजाद, द होल टीम, इशिता, करणवीर, फैबुलस, कार्निवल, निशांत, दे वर पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीवन to support us in our film and make it like a lovely film which is there out and about, कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट। द ट्रेलर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा और आई एम श्योर कि पिक्चर भी अच्छी लगेगी। 3rd मई को प्लीज़ देखिएगा।
निशांत, आपके किटी से और क्या क्या आने वाला है आगे चल के? व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स? ओके, तो ये मूवी का कलेक्शन देखेंगे, उस हिसाब से पता चलेगा। लेकिन थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच। विल हैव अ फाइनल पिक्चर एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल #blank trailer on Twitter, Insta, Facebook.